In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience and welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about general knowledge MCQs for CSS, PMS, MPT and other competitive examinations in Pakistan. So the first one is the world's second most valuable company behind Apple is Saudi Aramco. Saudi Aramco company basically oil company, while Apple company is a digital company of mobile and laptops. And Saudi Arabia snapped ties with Iran in 2016. So there is a sectarian clash between these two countries. So the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia strangulated one of Shiite cleric in KSA. So after that, strike started in Iran, and their diplomatic relationship was snapped in 2016. Next one is the COVID-19 outbreak began in 2019 in the Chinese city of Wuhan, and there is a conspiracy theory that the COVID-19 is originated from Wuhan Institute of Virology. Next one is a general in particular, "Intonations with Pervez Musharraf" has been written by a famous author Javed Jabbar. Next one is the recent Pakistan-US counter-terrorism dialogue was chaired by Christopher Lindbergh and Pakistani Syed Haider Shah. Next one is the current Foreign Secretary of Pakistan is Asad Majid Khan, and the incumbent Chief Justice of the Federal Shariat Court is Justice Dr. Syed Muhammad Anwar, and their headquarters is located in Islamabad. The Iron Fist giant military exercise is conducted by the militaries of the United States and Japan in Indo-Pacific region, and International Women's Day is celebrated annually on 8 March. And the first woman researcher to have earned a PhD on Urdu literature was Begum Shaista Ikramullah, and the high seas begin at the border of countries, exclusive economic zones which extend up to 200 nautical miles or 370 kilometers from coastline. So Pakistan have a 1000-kilometer coastal line. So Pakistan claim 200 nautical mile marine border with UAE and Oman. Next one is the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution calling on nations to establish a high sea treaty in 2017, and the Summit of Least Developed Countries (LDC) is normally held after every decade or 10 years, and Libreville is the capital of Gabon. And the best FIFA Men Player Prize was launched in 2016, and Amman is the capital of Jordan, one of the famous Middle East country. And the current CIA director is William Burns, and the Red Sea port of Aqaba is in Jordan, and the Scottish city nicknamed as the Dare Green Place is Glasgow, and the EU European Union Judicial Cooperation Agency Eurojust is based in The Hague, and International Court of Justice is also located in The Hague, Netherlands. And World Hearing Day is celebrated annually on 3rd March. And Humayun was the son of Babur. And built in 1570, Humayun Tomb is located in Delhi, India. And helium was first discovered in 1868. Its atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is 2. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and helium is 2. So the atomic mass of helium is 4. And World NGO Day is celebrated on 27th Feb. The celebration of this day is basically to highlight the role and contribution of non-governmental organizations to societies. And Chinese river known as river of disaster and river of sorrow because of the devastating floods is in the Yellow River because they cause much havoc and destruction to population and infrastructure. That's why the Yellow River is also called the river of disaster. And Atacama Desert is in Chile. And United Nations Human Rights Council (UNHCR) was created in 2006. And the second most abundant particle in the universe after protons are neutrons. And Pakistan Naval War College is located in Lahore, Punjab. And Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea. It is a South Asian country. An anthem for Charles III coronation has been written by Lloyd Webber. And Interfax is a news service agency from Russia. And the company that invented the Windows operating system is Microsoft, and the founder is Bill Gates. And the developer that released their first antivirus product, VirusScan, in 1987 was McAfee. And the piece of software that allows us to browse the internet is called web browser. So there are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, and Apple Safari. So all these are web browser. And the McMahon Line served as the de facto boundary between China and India. And during Shimla Convention of 1914, the McMahon Line was determined by Sir Henry McMahon, and the place on the moon where people first landed as a spacecraft is known as the Sea of Tranquility. Tranquility means peace, calm, composed, and cool. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Please subscribe Dawn Times for latest notification and updates. Thank you. God bless you all.